Hello and welcome to today's video tour here on my channel. Today, as you can see, we're going to be previewing a property located right off Bayshore Drive in Coconut Grove, Miami, Florida. This huge property counts with over 9,500 square footage and it's sitting on a 1-acre lot. And yes, it is in the heart of Coconut Grove. I am Stefania Mogollon, Miami and South Florida luxury real estate agent. Thank you so much for clicking on today's tour, on today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell. And you can also follow me on all of my other social medias, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, of course, at Stefania Mogollon. Now let's go and take a look.
This wonderful property is located in the heart of Coconut Grove, one of Miami's oldest and most exclusive neighborhoods, just minutes away from luxury shopping, the stunning Biscayne Bay, and the famous and glamorous Vizcaya Gardens. This prestigious neighborhood offers you a variety of benefits. The area is renowned for its natural beauty with lush greenery, sprawling parks, and breathtaking waterfront views. Additionally, Coconut Grove is a hub for art and culture with numerous galleries, museums, and theaters. The neighborhood also boasts high-end shops and gourmet restaurants and is a home to some of the best schools in Miami, including high-rated public and private schools. Finally, despite its secluded feel, Coconut Grove is just a short drive from downtown Miami, offering you easy access to all the amenities and attractions of the city.
The main thing that attracts me about this property is the gardens. As you can see, the landscaping is incredible and it's amazing. To have trees like this is truly a luxury. The facade of the property is pristine and beautiful. It has different accents that remarks of the old times here in Coconut Grove. Also, towards this side, there is a ramp that leads you to a 3-car garage and extra outdoor space to park up to 5 cars or even more.
As we begin our tour, we're greeted by the magnificent entrance made of stone with metal railings and warm lighting that sets the tone for the grandeur that lies ahead. From the front door, the exquisite details in the decoration are evident, with fully adorned walls and floors and hanging chandeliers that gives even more elegance to the house entrance. As we step inside, we can see the natural light stream through the numerous windows that the property has, highlighting the marble floors and white walls that create a peaceful atmosphere. A beautiful marble fireplace further adds to the ambience of this area. Continuing from the entrance hallway, we find ourselves in the spacious main living room with more than enough space for all the furniture and direct access to the kitchen and pool area, which are connected by wide sliding doors.
Now we're here in the backyard enjoying this beautiful weather, this beautiful day. We have here a special setup to entertain your guests, put a barbecue area, or just chill and relax in this beautiful environment. Now walking to this side, you can see the pool with the waterfall integrated to enjoy a relaxing bath, a Sunday, and play with your family, your friends, or any guest. You can see how beautiful the house is, even in the back. Look at this, and everything that you see up there are the bedrooms that have its own private terrace.
On the outside, we can also see the huge and luxurious entrance to the large garage, where you can accommodate up to 5 cars. Heading back inside, we can notice that the kitchen is a chef's dream, with a spacious design that features a dishwasher, oven, refrigerator, deep sink, and other top-of-the-line appliances for your convenience. All the countertops, including the large island in the heart of the kitchen, are made of beautiful marble, which gives an elegant touch, with several windows allowing for lots of natural light and direct view of the pool. This area is just the perfect place for hosting gatherings. There is also a kitchen pantry available for keeping your appliances and kitchen supplies organized, and a small dining room that is connected to the pool area provides the perfect setting for breakfasts or quick meals. Moving along, we will find the main dining room with several floor-to-ceiling windows that allows you to enjoy all the amazing natural light that this property brings you. On the first floor, we find a spacious room that connects directly to the pool area and can be used for hosting parties and entertaining your guests at home. There is also one full bathroom with double access from the backyard and also inside the house. There is another half bathroom on the first floor, which is inside the house, and both are perfectly distributed for your convenience. And finally, a unique feature of this property is the elevator that takes you to the second floor. This is perfect for those who cannot easily climb stairs, or honestly, just for a lazy day.
We just saw the first floor and I hope you really enjoyed it. Before we continue to the second floor, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell, and follow me on all my social media, TikTok, Instagram, and of course YouTube at Stefania Mogollon. I do these video tours for you to enjoy, and don't forget to let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite and least favorite part of this home. Now we are on the second floor, and as you can see, I am on the terrace enjoying the beautiful sound of the pool and the cascade that's built in, and the amazing nature, the trees, the sun. Honestly, this property gives me a vibe of being in the true tropical of Miami. It gives me peace, it gives me a sense of relaxation and enjoyment all throughout. Now we're gonna see the second floor that has a total of 6 bedrooms and 6 full bathrooms. Yes, you heard it. Sometimes it's hard to find a property that has that many bedrooms in only one level, especially for big families. That's very important. So let's go now and take a look. And by the way, here in this terrace, it connects a total of 3 bedrooms. So 3 bedrooms have access to this terrace, which is amazing. Just imagine waking up every morning to this with your favorite drink, coffee or tea.
Moving to the second floor, we will see a total of 6 bedrooms. Yes, as you heard it, 6 bedrooms in only one of the floors. Starting with the master bedroom.
As you can see, it's incredibly large. So shiny, so bright, very spacious with 2 closets, his closet and her closet. Incredible bathroom with rain shower, double vanity. And honestly, it's a great space to wake up here in Miami, Florida. Also, as I mentioned before, it has an entrance to the main terrace, but also has another extra private terrace right there, as you can see, to set up nice furniture. If you want to tan and a little more private space, you have everything you want in this property.
Moving on to the secondary rooms, we see that some of them also have access to the balcony. Although they are secondary rooms, they have plenty of space, large closets, and private bathrooms. These rooms can be used as bedrooms for your children or guests, as a home office or studio, or even as your private gym. This property is truly a one-of-a-kind oasis that combines luxury, comfort, and practicality in a way that it is unparalleled. I hope that you have enjoyed this tour and that it has given you a glimpse into what life could be like in this magnificent property. Thank you so much for joining me, and remember to subscribe and leave your comments down in the description box and let me know what your thoughts are about this property. And you can also find all my contact information if you decide to buy, sell, or rent in South Florida and Miami. I will see you soon on the next video.